Assalamualaikum my lovely YouTube family, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and amazing and stylish long nails art and ideas and different fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos and you will see the stylish, most beautiful, amazing, latest and unique fancy nails art ideas for my channel. Different nails ideas for summer nail designs. All nails very beautiful and unique, stylish nail designs ideas for my channel. How is the video? How to design? New nail designs ideas and how was the video, how the designs, how much beautiful and stylish different fancy nail designs, long nails designs ideas for my channel. You will see the stylish and most beautiful fun descriptions and latest and stylish different new nail designs ideas for my channel. So till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and you will see the stylish fabulous and amazing new nail designs ideas. How was the video, how the designs, how much beautiful and stylish. Different new nail designs and stylish all nails and long nail designs ideas for my channel. How was the video, how the designs, how much beautiful and stylish new nail designs ideas for my channel. So till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and you will never miss any video, any collections. You will see the stylish, fabulous and amazing new designs ideas and all nails very beautiful different analytic nail designs ideas. Fabulous and amazing, outstanding and different styles and stylish new fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. How much beautiful and new nail designs. All very beautiful and different nail designs, color combinations and different colors, different new nail designs ideas for my channel. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and you will never miss any video, any collections. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos and you will see the stylish, fabulous and amazing new different nail designs ideas. Till the next video guys, and for watch my videos adorable and amazing new nail designs ideas. So you will see the stylish, fabulous and amazing all nails and different nail designs, analytic nail designs ideas, latest and unique all nails by fabulous and attractive.